Friday workshop.
What are we doing this week?
This week we're making a wooden bookmark in under 15 minutes.
Out of scrap wood.
Out of scrap wood. So here we go.
So I'm not sure where this wood is. It could be, it looks like a dark maple, but it could be something else. The cutoff looks like a dark maple, but who knows what it is. We got it from the free bin in our local hardwood store, which is the High Desert Hardwood. They gave it to us out of the free bin. And so they have really nice woods like these sometimes in the free bin. So we're gonna turn this into bookmarks. How long is a bookmark, Dom? Is that about a bookmark's length?
Yeah, should be able to fit in a book.
All right. That's gonna be a bookmark.
Yeah.
All right, Dom. I might need a push stick for this one because this one's super thin. I'm doing veneers here.
All right, here you go.
I'm cutting this into about a third of what the width is. So we'll try it and we'll check and see if it works. Can I get a second push stick?
Second push stick. All right. Second push stick.
Thank you. There's our first bookmark. That's why you use a push stick. It's that corner. Got it.
That could have been your finger.
Could have been my finger. That's why you use a push stick. And now we have 3 separate bookmarks that we got out of that piece of wood. So, time to sand it flat.
Time to go and hand sand these bookmarks. I think I said bookmarks.
Yeah, you did.
Should we keep it or no?
Sure.
All right.
Okay, 120. 220. Yeah, we'll see if this cracks it or if it'll work. That worked?
Yeah.
There we go.
Hey, that's starting to look like a bookmark.
Yeah. All right, so that works. So I'm gonna cut it off and so we can finish these. So, you know what time it is, don't you?
It's middle finger time! Yeah!
Ooh, that wood is beautiful.
Yeah, it is. Alright, we got this beeswax and orange oil. We're gonna rub it into this 4/0 steel wool, which is 4 zeros of aughts. You know, when I think of steel wool, I always think of like Minecraft as the flint and steel. Does that happen to you too?
Friday workshop. Wow, these things are gorgeous.
Beautiful. So smooth and shiny.
And yeah,
It's turned out awesome.
so these are Friday workshop bookmarks.
In
These
under
are-
15 minutes.
Did you think they'd be this thin and beautiful? And
No, I thought for 15 minutes they wouldn't look this great.
They look pretty amazing. So we busted this out quick.
Yeah.
So if you like videos like these,
You should check out this one.
like and subscribe.
Yeah.